Now, if you've ordered your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and you're still seeking a case, and maybe it's a wallet case, well, in today's video, I'm going to share with you this wallet case, leather case, that we just received for the S25 Ultra. But guess what? Not only do you need a wallet, you may need a power solution. So today we're taking a look at this brand new power solution. It's the Starship. It's a 240-watt power bank that's going to power all your devices, not just your S25 Ultra, but all your other devices too. So in today's video, we'll take a look at these two accessories for the S25 Ultra, and we'll see which one, if not both, are a fit for you. Let's check it out. Now, before going into the leather case, let's talk about this power bank solution. This is the Starship 240 watt. It is packed with power, but it also has incredible capacity. We're talking about 27,600 milliamp hours, which means that this is a battery that not only will you be able to use in your business, around your home, as you're traveling, maybe on the train, but it's also airline safe. You're talking about 240 watts. You're also looking at PD 3.1, 140 watt capacity, dual USB-Cs, 140 watt in and out, right? That's what we're talking about here. Smart LED display, which you're going to see in a second. And again, has multiple layers of security, 15 layers of security, more or less security when it comes to protecting from overheating, from damaging the battery, damaging your device, everything that you need to make sure that you charge not only your smartphones, but guess what? You can also charge your laptops, your tablets, large electronics with this, as long as they can take a USB-C port, which guess what? Most devices do today. So this is a fantastic solution for those of you that need power. Combined with the case that you're going to see now, this will be a great add-on for your S25. Now, as we take a look at the product mix here, first of all, when you receive your battery backup solution or this power bank, you're going to receive it in a large box like this. And I just wanted to show you something because this is a tricky part that you need to pay attention to. You'll notice at the very bottom, there is a message here. And the message is there's cables down there. This is tricky to get out. I literally had to tap, 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 tap until the foam actually removed itself or came out a little bit so I can get access to the actual box that's underneath. And this is what you're going to find underneath. Inside of there, you're going to find this guy right here. This is a dual USB-C cable, right? That is going to really take advantage of charging your devices super fast, given the capacity of this battery. Now, keep in mind that as we take a look at this battery, you're seeing that you can charge not one, not two, but three devices at the same time, right? That's going to give you a lot of power. In addition to that, you have a little power button here that if I press this power button, you're going to get a display that's going to show up here on the side. And you can see the display right here. And it's going to tell you your battery capacity. And then as you plug in the power cord, it's going to show you which cords or what is your charging rate coming out of the device. And again, you'll be able to support, you think about your MacBook Pro, think about your Mac, think about a PC, any device that can support USB-C charging, this is going to do. So you can see here the display is on. And I'm going to plug this into my S25 Ultra, and we're looking for that ultra fast or super fast charging mode. So you can look for a teal sign that comes up. Putting this in, and notice the teal, right? And it says super fast charging 2.0, and it's going to start charging super fast. So because the fact that this has 240 watt capacity, you're not only going to be able to charge this phone, another phone, multiple devices, and still get that great power rating. Now, in addition to doing that, we'll move this over to the side. You'll notice here that we have our cases. These cases are really, really nice. Again, they are leather. They smell leather. And you'll have your credit card holder here. You also have for some cash. And then you have this TPU case in the inside. So with this TPU case, you're going to be able to place your phone, just snap it in. And by the way, I do have a screen protector on this phone, so it is screen protector friendly, right? And you'll be able to close it like this. It does have two magnets that are going to grab there on the side. Now, in addition to that, you do have protection going all the way around. You can see your USB-C port charging there. And then you can see your camera module is really, really nicely protected. And one of the things I like to look at is, will it support still wireless charging? So I'm going to take this little charging brick that I have here. And let me find my little button that I'll press. Go ahead and power that up so that we can make sure that we get some power. And we're going to see, will it support wireless charging? See if we'll grab it. And it may not, maybe just a little bit too thick. We'll see. Yeah, it looks like it's going to be a little bit too thick for wireless charging, which is, oh, wait a minute. There it goes. It supports wireless charging. I had to find that sweet spot. and it's wireless charging, which is great. That means that this is going to give you even more flexibility. And I really love the fact that it's supporting wireless charging. There is a black version as well, so you can have either version here. You'll notice that this brown one is high gloss, and then you see the black one is kind of a matte finish. I kind of like both, don't know which one I'd go with. This would go great to be leather engraved and personalized. This is really nice. This would be a great Valentine's gift. Matter of fact, either one of them would be. So lots of things to choose from. You have this power bank, which is super powerful. And then you have these cases right here that also are going to give you a lot of flexibility. So both products that you can order today, but make sure you check these out. See you in the next video.